I had to do the level 2 food hygiene course, but I was surprised at how fun it was, so I decided to do level 3. And now I'm the manager now.
Things can be really unpredictable here, so it was good to be able to do in and out of the course from home or on my mobile. And I got a proper qualification at the end of it too.
In the past, I've had to be in the classroom all day. This is much quicker. The videos are really good too, with actual chefs.
I used to have lots of paperwork, but it's easy now as it's all in one place.
Good afternoon, Safe Food Group.
That's no problem, we can get that for you.
Thank you.
As a new business owner, I need to know that I'm getting the very best value for money. And we've managed to get our 5-star food hygiene rating. Thank you. There you go.
Hey, what can I get you?
Thank you.
Stage 3, we're going to rinse. Stage 4, we're going to do another main wash, but this time with disinfectant, because disinfectant reduces bacteria to a safe level. It's a really important point to note. Stage 5, we're then going to rinse again, and the last stage, stage 6, is drying. Wherever possible, air drying.
Cut!
We're all about helping you to be able to work safely and effectively. Video training from real experts, real qualifications and real people supporting you.
Reset in 5. Scene 2. Take 3. Action.
Why not put us to the test?